Hello everyone, it's me again, Teacher Nelly. Today we are going to learn the ZVC words, specifically at word family. At, b, at, bat, bat. This is a bat.
The wheels on the bus.
B, at, bat, bat. Hit the ball with a bat. So this is a baseball bat. K, at, cat, cat. This is a cat.
The wheels on the bus.
At, fat, fat. This is a fat cat.
The wheels on the bus.
At, hat, hat. This is a red hat. At, mat, mat. This is a blue mat. At, pat, pat. Pat a cat with one hand. At, rat, rat. This is a black rat. Sat, sat, sat. The cat sat on the mat. Well done, everyone. That ends our lesson for today, and I hope to see you on the next video. Goodbye!